Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game. So if you are playing the game on Steam, then go to the library section, then select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here under general, here you can see the language option. It's already selected as English. From here you can easily change whatever language you want. As for example, just I am selecting the German, and after this restart your system once. After restarting, now you can easily find the language in that particular language that you have selected. If not, again come back. If you want to change the language to English once again, then again come back, click on properties. Now here come to the language section and again select English, and after that you have to wait for some time and it will be changed to English once again. So by this way you can easily change whatever language you want in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.